Hey, let me show you how I fix my drifting issue with the DualSense controller. I wasn't using any tools. All I was doing, I was like pressing both sticks like this. So you can keep pressing for like 10 or 20 times. Try to do this. Try to get rid of any mess, of any dirt that is around here, around those places. So it will basically go inside. Like this, keep tapping. You can do this for like 20-30 times, and if it doesn't help you, you can just click and hold these sticks and try to rotate them like this. Do this for like 5 or 10 times, and then do this into the opposite side, just like this, and keep holding both sticks. Press it. Now release them and just press one more time and go down, up, up, down, like this. Then go to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, and keep doing this. And in my case, it was working. But if it doesn't help you, you just have to definitely go for some services or try to look for other tutorials where you have to use some tools and basically unscrew a fuse screw and go inside and clean your sticks from the opposite side. Tell me if it helped you. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.